Am I marrying her or hiring her?
Chill, bro, you're not building Amazon.
I'm only 5'11". I guess I don't make the cut.
Next. Assalamu alaikum, I'm Hiba.
And I'm Zaid.
And on this channel, we're gonna help you get married, inshallah. Let's see how.
I honestly had a love-hate relationship with matrimonial websites. I was on them for so many years. I had a great headshot, yet I wasn't getting any interest. I was messaging so many girls, yet nobody was responding. I just couldn't understand why.
I myself didn't spend too long on the sites before I met my Zaid. But during that short time, I came across creeps, ghosters, and lots of immaturity.
Once we became professional matchmakers, we realized there are certain universal qualities that each gender is looking for in a spouse.
Let's start with you guys. To make your profile stand out, do the following 3 things. Number 1, spend less time talking about your occupation, your degrees, and your income, and more time talking about what makes you a good husband. Talk about your strengths, your goals, and your views on gender roles, and how you will help out around the house. Number 2, invest in a good picture. Don't make your profile picture of you at the gym, or stepping out of your car, or a side shot of your face. Girls love a good natural smile. Number 3, demonstrate leadership. Women want a leader and not a manager. The hat you wear at work shouldn't be the same one you wear at home. Let your profile show how you will lead with compassion and empathy.
Now it's your turn, ladies. You're not applying for a job. Guys don't care how advanced your degree is, how much work experience you have, or how independent you are. They want to know how you'll bring beauty into his world. So, do these 3 things to make your profile stand out. Number 1, respect his leadership. A man by nature wants to lead and does not want to be undermined. Show in your profile how you would respect your husband as the leader of the home. Number 2, demonstrate balance. If you're a career woman, show how you will balance the needs of the family with your career. Talk about how you will prioritize the home. Number 3, show support. Islamically, men are tasked with the responsibility of protecting and providing for the family. Show how you will support him as he navigates through these responsibilities.
Ultimately, you want your profile to be a magnet for the right person and not for every person.
When you're aware of the needs of the opposite gender, you'll naturally separate yourself from the herd.
What is one thing you can change today about your profile that will enhance your search? Let us know in the comments below. And if you haven't subscribed, then please go ahead and do. We'll see you inshallah in the next one. Assalamu alaikum.